Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Connecting your powerful Smartwatch X8 to your phone 2025 is incredibly simple, and we'll show you how in just a few quick steps. Once paired, you'll immediately receive all your important notifications right on your wrist, keeping you informed without constantly checking your phone. Imagine getting texts and calls discreetly during meetings or workouts. Plus, all your valuable fitness and health tracking data will sync effortlessly, providing a complete picture of your well-being directly on your device. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your new Smartwatch X8 today. Before we dive into the connection process, there are 3 quick things to check, ensuring everything runs smoothly. First, make sure your Smartwatch X8 is fully charged. This prevents any interruptions during setup. Next, confirm that Bluetooth is turned on within your phone 2025 settings. It's essential for your watch and phone to find each other. Lastly, download the dedicated X8 Connect application from your phone's official app store. This app acts as the bridge between your watch and phone, managing all its features. Having these ready will make the next steps a breeze. Now let's connect them. Begin by opening the X8 Connect app on your phone 2025. You'll usually find an option like Add New Device or a plus icon to start the process. Once prompted, the app will scan for nearby devices. You should see Smartwatch X8 appear in the list. Simply tap on it. Your phone and watch will then display a pairing request, often with a matching code. Confirm this request on both screens, and your devices will instantly synchronize. That's it, your Smartwatch X8 is now connected. Sometimes, despite following all the steps, you might encounter a small hiccup. Don't worry, here are a few simple troubleshooting tips. A quick restart of both your Smartwatch X8 and your phone 2025 often resolves minor connection issues. Also, make sure your watch and phone are very close during the pairing process, within a distance of about 3 feet, to ensure a strong signal. Finally, double-check that both the X8 Connect app and your watch's internal software are running the latest versions. Updates often fix bugs and improve stability. Congratulations! Your Smartwatch X8 is now fully connected and ready to enhance your daily life. Take some time to explore the X8 Connect app. It allows you to personalize everything from notification preferences and watch faces to your specific fitness goals. With your devices seamlessly linked, you can now enjoy effortless activity tracking, receive immediate message alerts, and even control your phone's camera right from your wrist. Embrace the convenience and power of your new Smartwatch X8. Stay connected, stay informed, and enjoy every moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.